Hello, my lovely cancers. Welcome to my channel, Sharks Tarot. Guys, I heartily welcome each and everybody here. And this particular reading here is all about, your person, how your person is feeling, what is happening with them, and every sort of thing regarding your partnership with them. um Cancers, I really am thankful for for everybody's support and the love you are really showering. Thank you so very much. The ones who are really new to this video and new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and really make a beautiful family for me. I just hope and I just feel this kind of appreciation really encourages me to make more videos and such help to the people specifically. Now let's see. I'll start with the cards, the love messages first. The very first card from your person's part, Cancer, here is you came closer than anyone. So now this is what it is like. Yes, you as a person, Cancer, I think I just believe this thing that the emotional, the sensitivity you have, no other signs have that much. And definitely when they say coming closer, that coming closer or getting close is not only physically but emotionally, mentally, and spiritually too. That is it. And this is what your person is telling you and reminding if you of that. Second, I hide behind material things. The individual you're dealing with, your cancers, definitely they come or they are in a position where they really are more materialistic kind of a person. They believe in more in the monetary terms, than in the love terms specifically. Third card, it's time for me to heal now. So somebody here wants the time to heal properly, to get into that, to its fullest and everything. That healing is what they are really requiring, my lovely cancers, and I hope they really get healed very soon. I love you unconditionally. Wow, amazing one. Now, this is what proves, Cancer, that this individual is in love with you, and not only in love, but unconditionally. Like they are unconditionally loving you. They are not keeping any kind of conditions. They're so much in love with you. The next card is accusing and suspicious. They're really suspicious about the fact that how you are and how beautiful the relationship is coming up. But they are kind of in this thing that maybe you as a person, how you are. They're suspicious about you. Last card, I care for you but as a friend. Now this thing here, either it makes you friend zoned, or secondly, if it doesn't makes you friend zoned, then maybe it really is making something out of it, but it's not going towards love. Love is not what I am getting from here. First of all, I have to say this thing. And secondly, there could also be some kind of moment, Cancer, where this individual is looking for you as a friend. They want you to be a friend, a best friend, or a good friend, then best friend, and then the lovers. Maybe they have this kind of perception towards the relationship, towards a commitment that is happening. Now, coming to the tarot cards, we have the Five of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, the Moon is here, we have the Devil, King of Wands, and the Knight of Cups. First of all, this individual is going through some kind of conflicts, which is very huge. I don't have to say that the conflicting things, the conflict situations are very less to them. No, they're in a very huge way where they have already got deceived a lot of times. Like in the past times, it's been like they have been deceived by people, they have entered into a lot of toxic situations, toxic relationships, where definitely I will say this thing that the that exploring that options were too different for them. When they were into a relationship, the individual with whom they were not able to understand them, cancers, and that is the reason they lost all the security, stability, and the trust. They're really charming, they're really beautiful, they're really honest and loyal kind of an individual. They want to spend best times with you. But the thing here is fear, guys. They're really fearing to say a word to you about it. And cancers, definitely this relationship, stability and bliss is what they're wanting, but they're not exactly expressing themselves towards you that okay, this is what I'm wanting, dear. Not at all. This is what have to say with the tarot card specifically telling about your person. Coming here with the oracle cards, the very first card I'm going to read here is, if you keep noticing the same thing over and over again, pay attention to it. Universe is sending you messages. Now this is what the universe wants to tell you. That it's very important for you to notice what is happening around you. Cancers. I think that your individual with you whom you are dealing with, either you are noticing everything about them but still not taking any action, or you are not able to notice the right thing about them. Next card. Grief, a sorrow story you never know. I have to say, cancers, that the individual is very sad about some facts, and really, the story they are having with themselves is really, really full of pain. And you never know, cancer, what kind of traumas they are going through and what they are wanting into their life, or what has already happened into their life before you arrive their life. I'm hurt, I'm alone, I'm depressed. Take me out from here, I'm waiting. Now, this individual is not showing up that they are not hurt or they are happy, but exactly they are not. They're really sad, they're really, really alone, they're really facing a lot of, depression kind of sentences are here coming out, where they're really sad about things and stuffs happening around them. And they really, really want you to come up and take them out from that position, from that place actually, cancers. Because they really trust you. They know that you could be that one person with, who can just take them out from the grief situations and who can make you exactly happy for what the reality is. They want true happiness. They do not want that over sad dramas which is happening with them. And the last card. It's gonna be all right very soon. The universe is definitely telling that cancers, particularly things are gonna go very right if you really, really go and help your individual, help your person to know things more. It's okay if you go and make them open up to you, because sometimes it happens that some individuals really go to that phase which we cannot imagine, and might be this is what is happening with them. And it's important, cancers, to make yourself secure enough for this connection, for this relationship, for this communication you're gonna bring on the table for them. If it's a love, make it love. Do not play games there, guys. This is what I have to say here. This is for you people. This is the reading, totally exactly what I'm having. I think cancers for you. I hope you are liking this reading. I hope things are happening with you, and do subscribe to my channel, do like this reading, to comment to this read about your experience and your things, that is it exactly happening or not. Secondly, guys, I have to say one more thing, that the ones who are really interested, one minute. Yeah, for the personal reading, you can just come up and take the personal reading, guys. It's really open and it's easy for you to take the personal reading and to know exactly what is happening, what you want, and how you can pursue into your life, into your future. Definitely. And obviously, I have to say this thing, cancers, that do support, guys, really, really support to this channel. Secondly, the ones who are really facing a lot of hair fall problems or hair related problems, there's an oil, particular oil, which you can use in the daily basis, a daily basis oil, and you can just use it definitely. It's really proven. It is really, really tested through a lot of hairs. It's gonna help you and provide you a lot of confidence. Thank you, everybody. See you people next time.